Hi there, welcome to Better Daily English Made Easy. In this video, we'll guide you through 100 practical sentences using am, is, and are to help you master these essential verbs in English. Perfect for beginners, these examples cover daily conversations, making it easy and fun to practice. Let's get started and boost your English skills today. He is a magician. They are police officers. My father is a farmer. She is tall. We are pilots. The buildings are high. Rabbits are fast. Turtles are slow. The children are at school. He is a superhero. He is a good baker. Witches are ugly. Angels are beautiful. They are basketball players. Paul and I are twins. These are long dresses. Mount Everest is very high. He is a great cook. My brother is very strong. They are artists. The window is open. My dogs are very smart. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Is she an actress? She's a ballet dancer. That's a very cute baby. Are they new students? Her bedroom is very tidy. The house is very old. I am the winner. Stephen and I are cousins. Firefighters are very brave. Are you a singer? Yes, I am. How old is she? My sister is a nurse. She is a beautiful girl. Tom is afraid of spiders. He is a handsome man. I am a good dancer. Are they workers? We are doctors. His car is new and expensive. Is he a dentist? The leaves are yellow. It is windy. Are you tired? No, I am not. That box is heavy. They are soldiers. It is a big lion. My cat is so lazy. Ice is cold. Fire is hot. That kite is colorful. Mr. Johnson is a scientist. They are hotel managers. The clouds are white. I am happy today. You are my best friend. She is a great singer. My grandma is so clever. It is a sunny day. The bed is so cozy. It is a cute puppy. We are the champions. I am good at drawing. He is a bookworm. The children are in the park. They are always so cheerful. The bench is long. It is lunchtime. She is my favorite teacher. Service dogs are very helpful. The sofa is very comfortable. The sun is bright and shiny. The fridge is full of food. They are the best singers. The blanket is soft and warm. The chair is next to the desk. The television is very big. The bookshelf is full of books. The mirror is clean and shiny. The kitchen is super tidy. The oven is very hot. The curtain is blue with stars. The pillows are fluffy and soft. The cupboard is full. The washing machine is white. The rug is colorful and beautiful. The computer is on the desk. The doors are open. The sky is so blue today. Parrots are colorful. The park is very peaceful. The river is calm and quiet. The wind is strong this morning. The trees are tall and green. The flowers are colorful and pretty. The beach is full of seashells. The table is made of wood. The weather is perfect for a picnic. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, share, and comment on topics you would like us to cover. Thanks for watching.